In this video, I'm going to show you a simple mobility routine that helps bring back a type of movement most people have completely lost, and that is rotation. Almost everyone moves forward and backward all day long, walking, sitting, standing, even training at the gym, pushing, pulling, squatting, and deadlifting. But it all happens in one straight plane. Your body, however, is built to move in many directions and different planes, to spiral, twist, and rotate through your spine, hips, and shoulders. When rotation is lost, other areas start picking up the slack. Your lower back works instead of your hips. Your neck makes up for your upper back. Your body still finds a way to move, but it's not efficient. Try music. This routine brings rotation back from the ground up using 3 levels: lying down, kneeling, and standing. We begin where you have the most control and slowly add difficulty as your nervous system wakes up. After this routine, your movement will feel completely different, smoother, more connected, and like your body works as one unit instead of separate parts. So let's get started. At the ground level, we begin with supine spinal twists. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Then drop both knees to one side while spreading your arms wide. Let gravity do the work. Don't force the twist. Just allow your body to relax into it. Breathe. Every breath creates a little more space. Your spine starts to unwind piece by piece. This is where you can really feel what's happening. Your lower back lets go. Your mid-back opens. You start to notice which areas move easily and which feel stuck. That's useful feedback. Some parts of your spine rotate freely, while others are stiff from sitting all day. You'll switch from side to side, staying there for a few seconds and noticing how your body releases over time. Let each breath sink deeper into the twist. Complete 60 seconds total, moving slowly from side to side. The next movement is thread the needle. Come onto your hands and knees. Music, slide your right arm under your left and follow it with your eyes. Let your shoulder melt down toward the floor. You're rotating through your thoracic spine, your upper back, the area that tightens up from sitting all day and leaning over screens. Your upper back is meant to rotate, but most people have almost completely lost this skill. It becomes one stiff block. When your upper back can't rotate, your neck does too much. Your lower back takes over. Your shoulders stop moving well. Everything else works harder than it needs to. Breathe into the twist. Feel your shoulder blades settle. Feel your spine opening. Switch sides and repeat. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Complete 5 slow reps on each side, holding the bottom position for 3 to 5 seconds. That groundwork sets the base. Music. Now we add more challenge. We test that rotation in positions where your body has to control it. Moving to the middle level with kneeling thoracic rotations. Kneel on one knee with the other foot planted in front. One hand goes behind your head. Rotate and reach your elbow toward the ceiling. Lead with your eyes, then your head, then your spine. Everything connects. Music. This is real life rotation. This is how your body should move when you reach overhead, look behind you, or twist to grab something. If this feels difficult, that's okay. It means you need it. Your body has forgotten this pattern. Move slowly. Notice where you feel stuck. That's where the work is. Don't force your range. Just explore what you have, and over time your nervous system will allow more. Music, switch sides and repeat. Complete 8 to 10 controlled reps per side. Next, move into a low lunge with rotation. Drop your back knee down. Place one hand inside your front foot and rotate your opposite arm toward the ceiling. Feel how everything links together. Music. Your hip opens, your spine rotates, your shoulder reaches. You may hear cracks in your spine, and that's normal. This isn't just a hip stretch or a spinal twist. This is integration. Your hips, spine, and shoulders are part of the same chain. When one moves, the others respond. Most people stretch these areas separately, but your body doesn't work in pieces. It works as a whole. So breathe and let the rotation deepen naturally. Don't force it. Switch sides and notice which side feels easier. That shows you where your body compensates. Music spend 30 to 45 seconds per side. Now your body is remembering what it can do. We take everything and blend it into standing movements, real-world positions where rotation truly matters. Start with spinal waves plus rotation. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Begin the wave from your head and let it travel down your spine. Music. As it reaches your hips, add a gentle twist. Your spine isn't meant to be stiff. It's meant to move smoothly through multiple planes, forward and back, side to side, and rotating all at once. This is healthy spinal movement. Not locked or tense, but fluid and responsive. Keep it smooth, no jerking or forcing. Just wave and rotate. Feel your whole body join in, your feet, hips, shoulders, and head. Music. Complete 10 to 12 slow, controlled waves, changing rotation direction. Finally, move into windmills. Take a wide stance. Reach one hand down toward the opposite foot, while the other hand reaches toward the ceiling. Your entire body spirals from fingertips to toes. This is three-dimensional movement, rotation, bending, and side motion together. Music. Most people can't do this anymore. Their hips don't rotate, their spine doesn't spiral. Everything moves flat. But you're rebuilding this one rep at a time. Go slow. Feel the spiral through your whole body. Control the way down and the way back up. This is functional strength through rotation. Not just muscle, but coordinated, controlled, full body movement. Switch sides. Keep it smooth and steady. Complete 8 to 12 controlled reps per side. Music to finish. Perform standing hip spirals. Stand on one leg and let the other leg sweep in a wide circle. Forward, out to the side, and behind you. Your standing hip must rotate to control this, while your spine counter-rotates to keep balance. This is dynamic stability through rotation. Your body is working in 3 dimensions to manage a simple movement. If you wobble, that's fine. That's your nervous system learning. Music moves slowly. Control the motion. Feel your entire body working together to stay balanced while rotating. Switch legs and repeat. Complete 8 to 10 controlled circles per leg. And that's it. 15 minutes. 3 levels. Ground, kneeling, and standing. You just moved your body through directions most people never use. Rotation through your spine, hips, and entire system. Your body isn't built to move in one plane. It's meant to spiral, twist, and move in 3 dimensions. When you bring rotation back, everything improves. Your back feels better. Your hips move easier. Your shoulders stop overworking. Do this routine often and notice what changes, not just in how you move, but in how your body feels and responds during daily life. This is maintenance. This is how you keep your body working the way it should, now and long term. Consistency is all it takes. Let me know in the comments how this routine felt and what you want to see next. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, share it with friends, and I'll see you in the next one.